Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated indoor gardening kits. What if we told you that having access to fresh, straight from the garden veggies and herbs were possible, even in your small apartment? Well, yes, it's true, and really, you can have it all. One of the 21st century's greatest innovations is the advent of the indoor garden kit. These Instagram-worthy starter kits come with everything you need to grow lettuce, tomatoes, mushrooms, and succulents, all from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we've gathered up the best indoor garden kits so you can waste less time searching and more time growing and harvesting so you can get to the best part, eating the fruits and vegetables of your labor. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the indoor gardening kits that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first indoor gardening kit in our list is the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit. If you live in a small apartment, your potted herb garden can be decorative as well as practical, just like the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit. They look great on kitchen counters or tabletops, and they don't take up much room. In fact, most of the herbs that do well indoors are small enough to fit inside a decent-sized home without too much trouble. You can also color coordinate it to fit your unique style since it's available in white, beige, and gray. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kit a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: self-watering. You just have to fill up the water reservoir and it distributes water to all your plants equally. Also, you don't have to worry about any messy drip trays or any spills or leaks. The water is self-contained in all of the Click and Grow Indoor Gardening Kits. LED grow lights. Don't have a sunny window? No problem. The grow lamp bar over the plants provides them with a perfect amount of light to grow fast and strong. It ensures your plants thrive no matter the weather. Easy to set up. The Click and Grow comes totally pre-assembled, and the packaging is very user-friendly. Opening the box feels more like opening a well-packed lunchbox than a garden system. The little booklet that comes with the kit is very helpful in providing step-by-step instructions for setup. Highly portable. You can move it to wherever you want in your house because there are no wires or tubes running to the indoor growing unit. It requires very minimal maintenance and care. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is low yield. Some users reported that it takes a while for your plant to grow big enough to be harvested, and the output is quite small. Nonetheless, the crops produced are top of the line. The second indoor gardening kit in our list is the Ahopegarden Indoor Gardening Kit. This indoor growing system is straightforward and very easy to get started with its easy-to-use control panel, which includes the power button, the pump circulation system button, and the 2 primary smart modes. Measuring 11 by 7 by 20 inches and weighing just over 3.52 pounds, it is small enough to fit on the counter in the kitchen, which allows users to grow herbs and vegetables indoors year-round. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ahopegarden Indoor Gardening Kit a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: automatic lighting. The LED light of this unit will go on for 16 hours and off for 8. There are 2 modes on top: vegetable and flower. The vegetable has more of the blue spectrum of light and the flower more of the red spectrum. The lights are very bright but also serve as a night light in the kitchen. Easier water filling. It provides independent filling ports with a transparent window, so you don't need to open the cover to check the water level anymore. This Grow Indoor Herb Garden comes with 8 little plastic caps to cover the soil pods while waiting for seeds to germinate, which is perfect because it helps maintain the moisture and temperature so the seeds will sprout quickly. Quiet automatic water circulation system. Its hydroponics growing system has a water pump to promote water circulation and increase oxygen to help grow healthy plants. The process is so quiet that you don't have to worry about noise at night. Also, the water pump goes on and off automatically every 30 minutes. Easy draining. The tank of the aeroponic garden has a plastic plug for draining the water, which is convenient for change to water. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the pods are close together, so it might work better if you don't use all of them at one time. The third indoor gardening kit in our list is the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit. You can grow fresh herbs and veggies all year round in this 19 by 14 by 8 inch indoor smart herb garden. The best thing about it is that it requires no soil, so there'll be no mess. Ideal for basil, parsley, lettuce, tomatoes, and more. Its black body and silver bottom, combined with an intuitive front control panel, give it a high-end look that matches your modernized home decor. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: energy-efficient LED lights. The SereneLife Indoor Gardening Kit features 24 watts of energy-efficient, high-performance LED grow lights that mimic the sun's spectrum, facilitating plant photosynthesis in all weather conditions for faster growth. 3 timer modes. The timer has 3 modes to accommodate 3 different phases of growth. You can choose between 8 hours on, 16 hours on, or 8 hours off. Water indicator. If the water level drops below the minimum level, an indicator will turn on to alert the user. Adjustable height. The lighting height may be adjusted to suit different growth phases. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is limited plant height. Your plants can only grow up to 12 inches tall because of the LED lights. The fourth indoor gardening kit in our list is the iDOO Indoor Gardening Kit. This next product provides a simple and ingenious way to harvest your food that requires zero soil, so you can have your own mini garden inside your home and enjoy fresh herbs, vegetables, flowers, and fruits without the mess of land, soil, and garden insects all year round. Let your seeds incubate in this 10.2 by 13.8 by 11.3 inch smart gardening kit and watch them grow 20% faster than soil planting thanks to its ergonomic features. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the iDOO Indoor Gardening Kit a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Air system. The air system in this indoor hydroponic system helps the 12 plants develop in balance by promoting airflow and balancing air temperature. When plants are in bloom, the built-in fan can act as bees and aid in pollination. Quiet self-watering pump. Its water pump mechanism helps circulate the water in an impressively quiet way, thereby boosting the water oxygen content, which can strengthen the roots. Large reservoir. During the growth period, the independent 4.5-liter water tank can support plants for 1 to 2 weeks. Also, a visual window can show how much water is in the tank. Smart Soil Sponge Pods. You can grow 12 plants at a time using its Smart Soil Sponge Pods that help plants take root and absorb water. It can also be transferred to soil directly. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the power cord is a bit short, but it should be fine for a counter near an outlet. The fifth indoor gardening kit in our list is the Yoocaa Indoor Gardening Kit. The Yoocaa Hydroponics Herb Garden is fully automatic and self-watering. As they say, no soil and no hassle. Get it to have fresh herbs at your fingertips through the year by adjusting the LED light pole as your plant grows. You won't even have to worry about burning them. Not to mention, with a height of 19.4 inches tall, it allows just enough room for a variety of plants to thrive in. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Yoocaa Indoor Gardening Kit a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Large capacity bumper harvest. This hydroponic growing system has the capacity to cultivate a total of 12 plants at once. Automated watering pump. The smart tool does the job for you. It has a self-watering system that helps circulate water equally to each plant so they can grow even without your regular interventions. Automatic intelligent timer. Yoocaa knows how busy you are and don't want to add up another routine to your hectic schedule. So they set the unit's LED lamp to an automatic 16-hour on and 8-hour off timer, eliminating one task from your list. High-efficiency lighting system. Lighting for your herb garden can be customized to meet the individual demands of plants, resulting in a rapid and natural growth and abundant harvests with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED grow light. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is its water tank is a bit small for 12 plants. The sixth indoor gardening kit in our list is the AeroGarden Indoor Gardening Kit. Save yourself the hassle and mess of growing indoors with soil with this indoor gardening kit. You'll use less water and your plants will grow faster by having access to everything they need from the water and plant food in your AeroGarden. Measuring 10.75 by 11.75 by 10.75 inches, it is bigger in design, features a large bowl to hold more water, a larger grow deck to give more room between plants, and has an adjustable grow height of 18 inches so you can grow full-sized veggies. It also allows you to grow up to 6 different herb, veggie, or flower varieties at once year-round. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has ordered the AeroGarden Indoor Gardening Kit a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 15-hour light setting. The 15-hour light setting is just the right amount of light plants love for healthy growth, which can make your plants grow faster. Built-in sensors. The built-in sensors automatically turn the lights on and off each day and let you know when to feed and add water, so there's no more guesswork. User-friendly. In order to operate this unit, you just have to fill the garden with water, drop in the pre-seeded pods, and add a little bit of the all-natural liquid plant food, and the kit does the rest. Full-spectrum LED. An efficient, high-performance, full-spectrum LED grow lighting system in your herb garden optimizes photosynthesis, resulting in a rapid natural growth and an abundance of harvests. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is limited plant height. It allows plant growth to only 18 inches in height. The 7th indoor gardening kit in our list is the Moistenland Indoor Gardening Kit. Equipped with 12 planting pods that are made of biodegradable cocoa coir, the Moistenland hydroponic system will make the plants and fruits grow in a clean and neat environment that contains no heavy metal and no antibiotics. Best of all, as hydroponic plants are less likely to be targeted by pests than field-grown plants, you will not need pesticides and herbicides. It boasts a large 4-liter reservoir, so you won't worry about adding water all the time. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Moistenland Indoor Gardening Kit a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Quiet, powerful pump. A powerful and silent pump circulates the water in the reservoir, which aids in the distribution of nutrients and oxygen to promote healthy root development. Air circulation system. The fan is embedded in the light panel not only to reduce the light heat but also to provide air circulation that mimics the breeze in nature and makes plants grow more efficiently. High-efficiency grow light. In the absence of direct sunshine, a 23-watt LED grow light panel provides a broad spectrum of light for plant growth. Faster rooting, germination, and growth are all made possible by a 24-hour, 3-colored light cycle that alternates between 16 hours of continuous illumination and an 8-hour rest period. Full Hydroponics Kit. The Moistenland Hydroponics Plant Kit is intended for no-soil indoor growing, so you can free yourself from the mess of soil-based indoor gardening. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it lacks a removable tray for easy cleaning. If you need to change the water in the basin, the only way to do that is to remove all of your growing plants and their delicate roots. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated indoor gardening kits, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next indoor gardening kit roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.